15 basic verbs. With simple present tense sentences. Exercise 1. Learn to use the words in sentences. Pack. Pack. She packs her lunch every day. Help. Help. He helps his little brother with his homework. Pick. Pick. The farmer picks vegetables from his garden every morning. Plant. Plant. She plants flowers in her garden every spring. Tell. Tell. She tells her kid bedtime stories every night. Write. Write. He writes letters to his pen pal in Europe. Draw. Draw. My sister draws pictures of animals a lot. Call. Call. Sam calls his grandparents every Sunday. Show. Show. She shows her artwork in galleries around the city. Dig. Dig. The dog often digs holes in the garden. Pay. Pay. My brother pays his bills online. Follow. Follow. The dog follows its owner everywhere. Give. Give. The restaurant gives free dessert to customers on their birthday. Learn. Learn. My mom learns new recipes from cooking shows. Clean. Clean. He cleans his house every weekend. Exercise 2. Review the words. Pack. Plant. Pick. Write. Dig. Learn. Follow. Help. Tell. Show. Call. Pay. Give. Clean. Draw.